Saturday morning. We are lowering the truck. Chacho. I got started last night instead of this morning. Surprised Pat with a little. I lowered the front end of it, and it turned out pretty good. The
Some spikes.
it's kind of hard to tell. Oh shit! That's my ass. All right, so I'll show you under the hood. Go ahead. All right, there it is. 3-inch lowering springs. The intake is touching the tire, which is awesome. But we got new inner fenders. Yeah, it turned out pretty good. So, anyways, today, oh yeah, spikes.
Trash metal spikes. GMO, free range, gluten free.
Yeah.
Good for the environment spikes.
So, anyways, pull the transmission, replacing the torque converter because the one we got from Jegs was
A piece of shit.
and it's whining. We thought it was the power steering pump, but it ain't.
No.
So,
No, it ain't.
anyways, we'll post some more video later.
Rust repair, because that's what we do.
Lowering. It's never scream. That's great. Recording us.
Nice.
Yeah, dude. What you got going on?
Hooking the torque converter back up to the flex plate.
Yes.
And shimming it to the proper shimmed measurements. And then the transmission is done.
Done. The transmission is done. And then we will touch ourselves. Those springs, dude. Itty bitty.
I think we've gone too low.
I think we went too low too. There's the intake with the air filter not on it because it hits the tire.
Yeah.
That's a mistake. It's okay. Had to take the starter out. Made it a little bit easier. Struggled a little bit. We'll keep working, motherfucker. I didn't say stop.
I need you to rotate the engine.
My bad.
You never listen to me.
Yeah, I know. Terrible companion. Tell me if I'm rotating in the correct way.
You should just go the same way you went last time. Yeah, you're good.
Okay. I should videotape myself.
Yeah. Where's Austin Jensen when you need him?
Watch me as I rotate. And these sound effects.
15 more degrees.
Fuck yeah. Yeah. Fuck yeah.
Keep going.
Keep going.
Right there.
Stop.
I think I can work with that.
Okay. I can do it more or less.
Feel free to roam about the country.
Feel free to go about the cabin. Yeah. Seatbelt sign on. Something is missing. Oh, the axle's missing. Got new purchases off Amazon for like nothing. Well, how much were those purchases?
$25.
$25 for a pair of purchase, and they'll just fit like that. I'm gonna grind the purchase off of this axle. Well, the only axle. Grind the rest, and then we'll fucking put the axle back in there. Then he's cutting off the bump stops, cutting the rivets off of those, so we can get rid of those things because C-notch is gonna go in place of that. But anyways, we're going to do good work.
My glasses.
Your glasses? Oh, they're hanging on the extension cord over there.
Safety third.
Safety third. So, anyways, thought I would update you guys. So, alright, let's get started. So the bump stop cut off. Perches cut off. It is time to sit down and be done for the day. What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Taking pictures.
Oh. What did we get done today? Transmission in, or took transmission out.
Transmission out.
Transmission out.
Replace the torque converter.
Replace the torque converter. I gotta get me in the camera. Replace the torque converter.
Put transmission back in.
Put transmission back in.
Well, you lowered the damn thing last night.
Lowered it last night.
In the front.
Pulled the bed off. We
pulled the axle out.
Pulled the axle out. Cut the perches off.
Cut the bump stops off.
Cut the goddamn the hitch.
Hitch.
The hitch. We had to cut the hitch, a hole in the hitch to get the shackle bolts out. But there's our ghetto ass exhaust. I probably shouldn't zoom in too close. Hellcat mufflers and Dynaflow. Dynamax. Okay, Dynaflow is a woman's product.
Flomax.
Oh, Flomax, yeah.
The man's product.
That's right.
CP better.
Yeah, it really does. Or whatever. Anyways, back on Monday.
On Jerry's day.
On my day, Veterans Day. Thank you for all you veterans who have served our country. All right, peace.